So this is a exponential equation problem, and in this problem we have 8 raised to the power x minus 2 raised to the power x, and this divided by 6 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x. This gives you 2. We have to solve for x, and x is basically an integer that is also given. So how we can solve this problem? So first thing we can do, that is I can write 8 as 2 raised to the power 3, and then you have whole power x minus 2 raised to the power x, and divided by 6 I can write 3 into 2 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x is equals to 2. Now next, if you remember, there is a rule in power, that is a raised to the power m and raised to the power n, then this becomes a raised to the power m times n. So if I use this thing, I can rewrite this term. This will be a raised to the power m times n, that is 2 raised to the power 3 times x, that is basically 2 raised to the power 3x. And minus we have 2 raised to the power x, and there is another rule of power, that is a times b raised to the power m. This will be a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m. So if I use this, we will have 3 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power x minus 3 raised to the power x is equals to 2. Now we can take 2 common in this case. So if I take 2 raised to the power x common in the numerator, I will have 2 raised to the power 2x minus 1. And then in the denominator, if I take 3 raised to the power x common, I will have 2 raised to the power x minus 1, and this is equals to 2. Now I can cancel this term. No, I cannot cancel. Basically I can further revise. So this I can further simplify. This is written as, so if I have a formula a square minus b square, then this becomes a plus b into a minus b. So here I have 2 raised to the power 2x. So I can write this as a 2 raised to the power x and whole square minus 1. So this will become 2 raised to the power x plus 1 into 2 raised to the power x minus 1. So I can use this thing here. So this will be 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power x minus 1 into 2 raised to the power x plus 1. And this divided by 2 raised to the power x minus 1, this is equals to 2. Now I can cancel these two things. Provided that 2 raised to the power x minus 1 is not equals to 0, then only I can cancel. This means 2 raised to the power x is not equals to 1, because this is equals to 0 if you take 1 that side. This means x is not equal to 0. So we have a condition that x is not equal to 0. We will use this. So now the left term we will have, that is 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power x plus 1, and this is equals to 2, and in the denominator we have 3 raised to the power x, that is missing here. So 3 raised to the power x, and this divided by 3 raised to the power x. So if I take 3 raised to the power x that side, so I will have 2 times 3 raised to the power x. Now see this expression. So we will use this expression to find the solution. So this is the expression I have. This expression we will use to find the solution. Now let us consider the number line. We have 0, 1, 2, 3, something like this. And we have already said that x is not equal to 0. So I don't have this point. So I will divide the number line in three parts. One is greater than 2 and another is here I will have minus 1, that is minus 1, minus 2. Another is negative, so this side, this portion. And another is 1. So we will divide this number line in three parts. So let us consider the first situation when we have x is greater than equal to 2. And since we have the integer, so we'll have 2, 3, 4, these are the only possible solution. So if x is greater than 2, this means what? We will have this thing, so that is 2 raised to the power x into 2 raised to the power x plus 1 is equals to 2 into 3 raised to the power x. So if you have a number that is greater than 2 or any number this side, on this line, this side, this will be a odd quantity because 3 raised to the power any number will be odd and multiplied by 2, this will be even. So finally, this will be an even quantity. And this side, now what I will do is, I will divide by 2 this side. Then we can have better result. So I will divide, then this will be 2 raised to the power x minus 1. Now you see, if x is greater than 2, then this side will be odd. But this side will be even. Because 2 raised to the power 2 minus 1, 2, then if you multiply by 2, this will become even. So one side you have even, another side you have odd. This is not possible. So there is no solution that is greater than 2. So in this region, there is no solution. Now x is equals to 1. What about x equals to 1? X is equals to 1 basically satisfies this equation, that is 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1, 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1, and this is equals to 3 raised to the power 1. So this is 2 raised to the power 0, that is 1, 2 plus 1, 3, and this side we have also 3. So x is equals to 1 is a solution. So this is a solution. Now let us consider negative. When x is negative, so x is less than or equal to 0 cannot be, because we already said that x is not 0. So x is less than 0. So in that case, let us consider x is equals to minus n, where n is a positive number, that is greater than equal to 1. So we will start from here. So these numbers. So now if I plug this value x equals to minus n, so we will have 2 raised to the power minus n minus 1 times 2 raised to the power minus n plus 1, and this is equals to 3 raised to the power minus n. So if we simplify, I can write 2 raised to the power minus n minus 1, and this will be 1 plus 2 raised to the power n divided by 2 raised to the power n, and this will be 1 by 3 raised to the power n. We can also write this term, that is 1 by 2 raised to the power n plus 1, 1 by 2 raised to the power n plus 1, and this is 1 plus 2 raised to the power n divided by 2 raised to the power n is equals to 1 by 3 raised to the power n. So we can take this 3 raised to the power n this side, and then 1 plus 2 raised to the power n, and this is equals to 2 raised to the power 2n plus 1. So this term will become 2n plus 1, and if that goes that side, this will be 2n plus 1. Now n is a positive number, so this number 2 raised to the power any positive number, so this is an even number. But this time, this side if you multiply by 3, then this will be a odd number. So this is 2 raised to the power n is a positive, so this is a odd and this is also odd. So this multiplication of these two numbers is also odd. So in this case, you have even on the left side and even on the right hand side and odd on the left hand side. So this is again not going to be equal. So this means this is not equal, no solution if x is negative. So in this case, only one solution is possible, and that is x is equals to 1. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, then please share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.